Are you ready for an exhilarating experience? PrestaShop 1.6. We're introducing an e-commerce solution that completely connects merchants with their online business in ways that were never possible before. We work closely with online merchants to deliver an e-commerce solution that exactly fits their needs. We're empowering our merchants, giving them complete creative control. That's why we are giving you freedom. The freedom to customize the look and feel of your store to fit your personality in a matter of clicks. With a totally responsive front and back office, you have the flexibility to manage your business 24/7 wherever you are. But being connected goes beyond mobile responsiveness. PrestaShop 1.6 provides merchants with a brilliant dashboard that understands your business and customers in real time. It even anticipates trends with the new Smart Forecast panel. You will make quicker, more intelligent business decisions and give yourself more time to focus on your next big idea. It's more than having an online store that looks good. It's about creating an unforgettable shopping experience designed to convert visitors. The world of e-commerce is constantly evolving and accelerating, so instead of asking how to keep up, PrestaShop offers a brilliant e-commerce solution that answers a much more important question: how to take it to the next level.